To lay out power and lighting in a commercial space, begin by determining the lighting requirement. Firstly, calculate the square footage of the area. Secondly, determine the desired lighting level in lux per foot candles based on the intended use of the space. Thirdly, use a lighting design software or consult with a lighting professional to create a layout that meets these requirements. Next, plan the power outlets. 1. Identify areas where electrical devices will be used, such as computers, printers, or machinery. 2. Determine the number and location of power outlets required based on equipment needs. 3. Ensure adequate spacing between outlets to prevent overloading. Then, install the lighting fixtures. Choose lighting fixtures that complement the design and provide the desired lighting level. Plan the placement of fixtures to evenly distribute light and avoid shadows. Consider the height of ceilings and the overall aesthetics of the space. Wire the electrical system. Install electrical wiring according to local building codes and manufacturer's instructions. Use appropriate wire gauges and circuit protection to handle the lighting and power demand. Designate separate circuits for lighting and power to prevent overloading. To set the amperage for lighting, consider these general guidelines. Office spaces typically require 1 to 1.5 amps per square foot. Retail spaces generally need 2 to 2.5 amps per square foot. Industrial spaces may require 3 to 4 amps per square foot. Note that these are estimates and may vary depending on the specific needs of the space. To calculate the amperage, determine the total wattage of all lighting fixtures. Divide the total wattage by the voltage, usually 120 volts or 240 volts, to get the amperage. Add a buffer of 20 to 25% to account for future expansions or changes. Consider additional factors such as energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient lighting fixtures and bulbs to reduce energy consumption. Also, think about controllability. Install dimmers or motion sensors to adjust lighting levels and save energy. Furthermore, provide backup emergency lighting in case of a power outage. Finally, plan for regular maintenance and cleaning of lighting fixtures to ensure optimal performance. Remember to always adhere to local electrical codes and regulations when performing any electrical work. Proper planning and execution will ensure a safe and efficient lighting and power system for the commercial space. Understanding the specific needs of the space, the types of equipment used, and the applicable codes are crucial for successful installation. Considering future growth and flexibility during the planning phase will help prevent costly modifications later on. For example, when determining the location of power outlets, consider the potential need for additional outlets in the future. Providing extra capacity during the initial installation can save time and money in the long run. Similarly, when selecting lighting fixtures, consider the ease of maintenance and replacement. Choosing fixtures that are readily available and easy to service can reduce downtime and maintenance costs. It is also important to consider the color temperature of the lighting. Different color temperatures can create different moods and affect the appearance of the space. For example, warmer color temperatures can create a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere, while cooler color temperatures can create a more energetic and productive environment. Proper lighting design can also improve safety and security. Well-lit areas can deter crime and reduce the risk of accidents. Emergency lighting is essential for providing illumination during power outages, allowing occupants to safely evacuate the building. Furthermore, a selection of appropriate wire gauges and circuit protection is critical for preventing electrical fires and ensuring the safety of the electrical system. Overloaded circuits can overheat and cause fires, so it is important to carefully calculate the electrical load and select the appropriate wire size and circuit breaker rating. Regular inspections of the electrical system can help identify potential problems before they become serious. Look for signs of damage such as frayed wires, loose connections, or cracked insulation. Any such issues should be addressed promptly by a qualified electrician. Energy-efficient lighting fixtures can significantly reduce energy consumption and save money on electricity bills. LED lighting is a popular choice for commercial spaces due to its long lifespan, low energy consumption, and high light output. Dimmers and motion sensors can also help reduce energy consumption by automatically adjusting lighting levels based on occupancy and ambient light levels. Proper ventilation and cooling of lighting fixtures can also extend their lifespan and improve their performance. Overheating can damage lighting fixtures and reduce their efficiency. Ensure that lighting fixtures are installed in well-ventilated areas and that they are not blocked by obstructions. Consider the use of daylight harvesting techniques to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Daylight harvesting involves using natural light to illuminate the space, reducing energy consumption and improving the overall quality of the lighting. Windows, skylights, and light shelves can be used to direct natural light into the building. The use of lighting control systems can also improve energy efficiency and provide greater flexibility in lighting control. Lighting control systems can be programmed to automatically adjust lighting levels based on time of day, occupancy, and ambient light levels. These systems can also be used to create different lighting scenes for different activities or events. The installation of a properly designed and maintained lighting and power system is essential for the safe and efficient operation of a commercial space. By following the guidelines outlined above and consulting with qualified professionals, you can ensure that your lighting and power system meets your needs and provides a comfortable and productive environment for your employees and customers. Remember to always prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent problems and ensure the long-term performance of your lighting and power system. When selecting electrical equipment, consider its energy efficiency rating. Look for equipment that is Energy Star certified, as these products meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. By choosing energy-efficient equipment, you can reduce your energy consumption and save money on your electricity bills. In addition to energy efficiency, consider the environmental impact of your electrical equipment. Look for products that are made from recycled materials and that are designed to be easily recycled at the end of their lifespan. By choosing environmentally friendly products, you can reduce your impact on the planet. Proper grounding of electrical equipment is essential for safety. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, preventing electric shock. Ensure that all electrical equipment is properly grounded and that the grounding system is regularly inspected. Surge protection is also important for protecting electrical equipment from damage caused by power surges. Power surges can be caused by lightning strikes, power outages, or other electrical disturbances. Surge protectors can help protect your equipment from these surges, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. When working with electrical equipment, always follow proper safety procedures. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Disconnect power before working on any electrical equipment. If you are not qualified to work on electrical equipment, hire a qualified electrician. Consider the use of renewable energy sources to power your commercial space. Solar panels can be used to generate electricity, reducing your reliance on fossil fuels and saving money on your electricity bills. Wind turbines can also be used to generate electricity, although they are typically more suitable for rural areas. The use of uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, can provide backup power during power outages. UPS systems can keep critical equipment running for a short period of time, allowing you to safely shut down equipment and prevent data loss. Consider the aesthetics of your lighting and power system. Choose lighting fixtures and electrical outlets that complement the design of your space. Conceal wiring and conduit whenever possible to create a clean and professional look. Proper labeling of electrical panels and circuits is essential for safety and maintenance. Label all circuits clearly and accurately. Keep electrical panels clean and free of obstructions. Regular cleaning of electrical equipment can help prevent overheating and extend its lifespan. Dust and dirt can accumulate on electrical equipment, reducing its efficiency and increasing the risk of fire. Consider the use of smart building technologies to automate and optimize your lighting and power system. Smart building technologies can automatically adjust lighting levels based on occupancy and ambient light levels, control HVAC systems, and monitor energy consumption. These technologies can help you save energy and improve the comfort and efficiency of your commercial space. When planning your lighting and power system, consider the needs of people with disabilities. Ensure that lighting levels are adequate for people with visual impairments. Provide accessible electrical outlets and switches. Consider the use of assistive listening devices for people with hearing impairments. Compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, is essential. Always consult with qualified professionals when planning and installing your lighting and power system. Electrical engineers, lighting designers, and qualified electricians can help you ensure that your system is safe, efficient, and meets your needs. They can also help you comply with all applicable codes and regulations. Staying up to date on the latest technologies and best practices is essential for maintaining a safe and efficient lighting and power system. Attend industry conferences and training sessions to learn about new products and techniques. Read industry publications and follow industry blogs to stay informed about the latest trends. Regular maintenance and inspections are essential for ensuring the long-term performance of your lighting and power system. Schedule regular inspections with a qualified electrician to identify potential problems and address them before they become serious. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs.